In this video, I'm going to show you how to see global leaderboard on Axiom. Now, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet and Twitter tracker, a pulse tracker, and a P&L tracker. They also have a top-notch reward system, which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also trade perpetuals, use their turbo mode for faster fills, set your own presets and your own basically slippage priority and bribe fees for both buy settings and sell settings, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually see the global leaderboard on Axiom, this has been a recent update. You want to click on the Vision tab up here, and then you want to switch to global over here. Now what's going to happen over here, you're going to be able to see the top global traders. Now there's a bunch of things you have to note over here. The first one is you can sort this by either P&L USD, P&L Solana, or all these things down here. So whatever you want to sort it by, you can do it over here. Here you can select to either sort by descending or ascending, which is basically going to be from either top to bottom or from bottom to top. And what you can also do is search different people up here and basically specify the time period, which can be 1 day, 3, 7, 14, or 30 days. Now, you can also switch between Solana and USD over here, and then you can also go from first, second, third, fourth page, and so on. Now, what's also important over here is you can set to have it like 200, 150, or only 25 users per page, and then of course you can adjust that accordingly, but there's going to be this number, so over 2 million of traders showing up here. You can see for every single person up here, there's going to be the trader, basically the wallet address, the P&L, the win rate, positions, trades, volume, and then the average hold time. Whenever you click on here, it's going to open up this panel where you can basically start either tracking them, open them on SolScan, or just basically see what they're doing, their active positions, activity, etc. Here, you also have the opportunity to basically switch to gallery view, which will make everything a bit bigger and a bit more neat, and you can also go back if you want to. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.